today's topic, it's really gonna be tough for me to share with you because I never told anyone about this, about my feelings, how I feel when anyone told me no one loves you, you will be all alone in your life. You know, everyone wants to be loved by people. We might as well admit it, we want people to like us. When I was a child, someone had given me the notion I was an unwanted child. This serious idea had sunk into my subconscious mind, giving me a profound sense of inferiority and self depreciation. It made me shy and backward, causing me to retreat into myself. I became lonely and unhappy and was, in fact, an underdeveloped personality. I started believing the perceptions that I was unlovable. I started hating myself. I remember of looking in the mirror and I started cursing myself and started asking to my God, why did you give me this life? That memory burned into my mind. I felt like no one is ever gonna love me. No one is gonna care about me. No one is gonna be there. Life sucked. It was never gonna get better. There was a time when I take an awful decision to take my own life. That moment, that was the worst moment of my life. It's awful, but it was also awful when you don't know how to rebuild your life. I was stuck into that perceptions and I was unable to find any way to get out of it. Thanks to God, He helped me a lot. He sent me an angel who helped me to figure it out who I am, how beautiful I am. There is something greater on me. I realized the thing that I had to start loving myself before anyone else could love me. If you don't love yourself, no one will love you. Before being loved by anyone, you should learn how to love yourself, how to respect yourself. If you have same notion as me, don't be sad. Start loving yourself. I just want to share this with you so that who all are facing this right now, they can realize self-love is more important than anything. If you love yourself as who you are, everyone will love you. Everyone will respect you. That's all for today. I hope it will help you. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.